Hey guys, Samira here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time. I've been super busy last month preparing for my first art exhibition ever. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what all artworks I have displayed in my art exhibition. Honestly, it was an amazing experience for me because I learned a lot of things, many forms of Indian art. So this exhibition was actually conducted as a part of a 3-day workshop by Fevicryl. So I had to go to Hyderabad and attend that workshop, and after that we were supposed to exhibit our artworks using Fevicryl products, and these were my works. Some of the works that I made for the exhibition were filmed so that I could make like a tutorial video on YouTube, and honestly some of the works took me a lot of time to complete, but nevertheless I enjoyed the process and I'm so glad for participating in the exhibition and for making all of the artworks. Alright, so let me walk you through all my artworks that I made for the exhibition one by one, and I will tell a little about them too. So the first one is Gond art t-shirt. So Gond art is a particular form of Indian art which originated in Maharashtra. And next we have Madhubani kurti. This one was like a patchwork that I did on a kurti, on a plain kurti. Third one is sun printing. It's really fun to do. And the fourth one is designer blouse. The blouse is unstitched, but I did it using kundans and liquid embroidery. Fifth one is nameplate, which I did on an MDF board, and I used muslin cloth over it to get the texture. And then the next one is stencil. I just used a stencil and some acrylic paints. The next one is vegetable printing. For that I used potato to get a triangle shape for stamping, and the next one is roller technique using masking tape, and the next one is watercolor technique on the cloth. This was really good. And the next one is kalamkari work. It's very famous in Andhra Pradesh and it took me 7 hours to complete it. It was so detailed and intricate, but I love the final result. Next one is tie and dye. Such a fun artwork, guys. This one is also tie and dye. I used some peas to get that design over there. Next one is my favorite. This one is Meenakari inspired locket. I did it using air dry clay or shilpakar. The next one is cut work, which is also so much fun to make. I had to make holes in the fabric using agarbatti or incense sticks. The next one is block printing. It is not as easy as it looks. The next one is Kerala mural. Oh my god, this one took a lot of time to make, but I am in love with the end result. Next one is a color wheel. We were supposed to do it in the first itself. The next one is shilpakar candle stand. I actually filmed the making of this video. The next one is my favorite, a baby, cute baby using air dry clay. Next one is glass painting or one stroke painting on a bottle. It took me 5 hours to get the technique right. Next one is lipan work. This is very famous in Gujarat homes. The next one is Varli art coaster. This video is already up on my channel. I'll put a link down below if you haven't watched it yet. Next one is leather puppetry. This is another famous artwork from Andhra Pradesh. And the next one is a dream catcher using mandala and glass colors. And the next one is a canvas painting. This is a dot painting. The next one is my favorite. This is an acrylic on canvas painting, and I have also filmed the making of this video, so it'll be up soon. Next one is Zentangle art using neon liners. The next one is a fairy house using a Hajmola bottle. This one also was filmed. And next one is a pebble painting, and this one is inspired by beach. This next one is tie and dye dupatta. So we had to do it on a large scale, and that's how it turned out to be. Next one is my favorite. It's canvas shoe art, and the next one is Sora art. This is from a place called Saurashtra. It is similar to Wali art. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment down below and let me know how
hope you like this video. I'll see you guys next time.
Alright guys, so those were all my works for my first ever art exhibition. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. If you like this video, please make sure that you hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.